Today I'm presenting you with a comfortable countryside shipping container property which is located in North Branch, New York. The property is currently not on the market, but you can use this video as inspiration, especially if you've ever considered getting into real estate, particularly with homes built using shipping containers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tiny Homes Hub, where we discuss everything about tiny homes, shipping container homes and mobile homes. We bring you potential real estate investment properties for sale, as well as Airbnb rental properties. If this is of interest to you, then please subscribe to our channel, as we aim to put out these new videos on a daily basis. Please also click the like button, as it helps us to continue making these videos for you. So at the time of recording this video, which is December 2020, this property is currently not on the market. However, Zillow places the current estimated price at $392,807. The property was last on the market in early 2020 and at the time was valued at $365,000. The property, which is located at Bully Hill in North Branch, New York, consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with a total of 1,160 square feet of living space. The lot is situated on 6.01 acres. It was built in 2011, and at the time of recording, it has been off the market for about 11 months. Our research suggests that the property was constructed using 2 converted shipping containers, and it is set overlooking a picturesque view of the surroundings. So let's dive in and talk about the features of this shipping container property one by one and in depth. So let's start off by taking a look at the exterior of the property. As I mentioned earlier, the lot works out at around 6.01 acres, which means that the property has more than ample space. The property's commodious characteristics makes way for a really nice view of the pond and also the farmland. The yard leads into a pond which features a small jetty emerging from one side. The property boasts multiple large double pane windows to ensure there's lots of natural lighting, as well as the ability for air to easily flow in and out. There is no dedicated parking spaces or garage attached to the house, so cars may have to be parked on the driveway which leads up to the house. At the back of the property, you'll find the aforementioned pond and the jetty. The pond itself is crystal clear and reaches a depth of 14 feet at its deepest. The exterior structure of the property is lined with a sloped metal roof, which is distinguishable from the distance. The exterior is also influenced by a contemporary architectural style, and the container itself has an off-white and black color palette that stands out amidst the vibrant greenery surrounding the property. A dirt driveway leads to a walkway, which then leads to the front door of the property. Once you open the front door, you'll be greeted by a spacious central room which leads to the rest of the interior. The interior itself is found to be well lit thanks to the large windows lined up alongside the walls. The first few things that you'll notice here are the main open concept space with a kitchen and plenty of lounge space surrounding it. Let's take a closer look at all this property offers once you're on the inside. So first off, the flooring. So the flooring is made of patterned hardwood of a pleasant peach color, which repeats throughout the entire interior of the property. The kitchen consists of multiple sleek cabinets and appliances lined up on one side. A large island sits parallel to it, along which there are 4 spaces for bar chairs to be installed. The standout feature here is without doubt this very same island, which makes the kitchen area multifunctional and hence more convenient. The kitchen also shares the concept space with a lounge and dining area. The dining space sits behind glass doors, which leads out to an outdoor deck from where you can enjoy a scenic view of the forestry. The mostly stainless steel appliances, which come already fully installed in this property, are all modern, and they include a dishwasher, dryer, microwave, easy clean ceramic cooktop, oven, a freestanding refrigerator, and dishwasher. So even though this is technically a shipping container home, it comes fully stacked with a modern kitchen that you'd expect to find in any other modern property. Next up are the bathrooms, which feature the same contemporary influence as highlighted in the exterior of the house. Both of the bathrooms share similar characteristics. The bathrooms feature a shower, ensuite, and both have large frosted windows adjacent to them. The floors are also fully tiled throughout. The property comes with two fairly decent sized double bedrooms, which both share the same set of features. The bedrooms join up with a bathroom each and carry over the same contemporary feel. The floor underneath is made up of hardwood and helps bring out the white color that dances around the walls of the room. The bedrooms also feature large sliding windows that offer picturesque and soothing views of the surroundings. I'll quickly touch on the neighborhood to give you an idea of the local area. The property is located in Bully Hill Drive, North Branch. It is situated in the village of Jeffersonville. Though small in size, the village features pre-World War II architecture, highlighting the long history associated with it. The village is not considered to be white collar or blue collar. Instead, it is known to be a mixture of both. There are multiple activities you can take part in around the village and plenty of attractions that you can visit. There is also no shortage of essential amenities such as grocery stores and restaurants. Due to its size, Jeffersonville has a relatively low crime rate, making it one of the safer places to live in the country in terms of crime. Here are a few additional bits of useful demographics information about Jeffersonville, New York. The median age is 48. Population density is 880 per square mile. 28.40% of residents at least have a bachelor's degree. The estimated median income is $53,750. 2 is the estimated average household size. Total population is 359 and the median house price is currently $239,500. So, to summarize, if you're thinking about investing in a real estate property or simply buying your own home, this cool countryside shipping container home is set to be an ideal inspiration. With spacious stretches, ample amount of rooms for living and recreation, and contemporary architecture, all against a scenic backdrop, the property is phenomenal in its own right. With modern architecture and spacious indoor and outdoor spaces, this property definitely has everything you'd ever need in a small family home. The kitchen is fully equipped with all essential modern appliances, a modern bathroom, and 2 decent sized bedrooms with storage space. So, all in all, this is a good property for someone looking at alternative real estate investments. That's it for today. If you've made it all the way through, then thank you for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe if you found some value in the information that I provided. And comment below on which of the features you liked most. And join me again tomorrow if you are interested in tiny homes or shipping container homes for real estate investment purposes or just for inspiration. Thanks again for watching and see you tomorrow.